Hola familia, today we're checking into a garden wing room at Disney's Contemporary Resort, and we're taking you along for the experience. We'll give you a full room tour, show you what it's like to stay in a garden wing room, point out some of the room's features, and share our honest first impressions to help you decide if it's the right choice for your next Walt Disney World vacation. Whether you're looking to save a little compared to the main tower, or you're just curious about what these rooms are like, let's head inside and take a look. It's Raul
and Javier
from Laughing Gear, and we're here staying at the Contemporary not in the main tower, in the garden wing area. It's a first for us because we've never stayed in the Contemporary, and it kind of completes you making it to all the monorail resorts, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Because we had stayed in Bay Lake Tower, it sort of counts, but like never at the Contemporary. So, Javi, let's do the room tour.
Sure. Walking right in, guys. We have some to our left-hand side here. To our right-hand side here, we got our bathroom. Pretty spacious bathroom. Two nice sinks. Tons of storage and spaces to put whatever you need up there. I love the mirror. Nice big mirror for a fluffy person like me. Yeah.
It looks similar to if you turn it on, it looks like the mirrors they have at Disneyland. No, the other one kind of turned on, right? The ones at Disney Resort.
It had the
kind of like a similar style.
It was kind of like this back here lit up. Like
lit up, yeah. This is just like a design. Yeah. It's kind of cool. It's kind of like the monorail, effect.
It's always better when I get it with Daniela. Usually these I get at home while Daniela is on vacation, but I've been joining her, so it's a lot more fun when she does it with me.
And here's the shower. I'm also here too.
Well, appeared out of nowhere.
I appeared out of nowhere using Disney magic. Don't think about it. Whoa. This thing is huge. Well, here's me for scale. It's pretty echoey in here. Look, there's the soaps that you've probably seen a lot on the tours, and you probably already know the name of, which I forgot, obviously. Then we have a rain shower head thing. And then we have a normal shower head thing that you can, like, take off. Yeah.
Then we have this cool picture. Yeah, guys, and then we have a separate toilet on this side. It's kind of cool. Yeah, it does flush, just in case you were wondering.
Just in case the toilet didn't flush.
We have been to some places where the toilet doesn't flush, so we tend to flush those.
Ugh. The closet's still the end of the tour. So, where should we go next?
That way.
That way. Pacha. So, the bed.
Frozone here.
Whoa.
Then we have Frozone, the frozen pillow. Then we have the
USB.
Yes, you're supposed to finish my sentence. I don't know these things. I'm talking to Theo, even though I'm looking at you. For some reason, why don't they just have a regular stand here? Why does it have to be? What if you just have a bottle of water there and then you roll on it? This is not good for restless sleepers.
So in the middle here, guys, we have a nice little cubby that we can store things on with more. I like the bottom of that. That's kind of cool. Did you see this?
The bottom. Oh, what the heck? I didn't even know there was stuff down there.
Yeah, pass me the control.
No, first I'm gonna eat a little bit of it.
I'll take the glasses. So definitely more plugs, more USBs, phone for when you got to place it. And I like the lamp. Lamp is kind of cool. You could adjust the lighting on it, and it looks like the monorail is going through it, which is awesome.
Then we have bed.
Another clean bed with
Edna mode. Did you forget her name or?
No, well, I thought it was somebody in the family that looks like that, but we're gonna leave that out for right now.
Then we have more USB ABCs over here. Then we have a weird looking lamp. It's supposed to be futuristic, but I don't get it. We also have trash.
Isn't this like a laser for like in the Incredibles? Like in the Incredibles movie?
Is it?
It is.
It's an Incredible themes at the room.
Yeah, because look at the background.
Yeah, it's just, it kind of just looks like an egg. Then we have a table. So you can have nice little chats over here about stuff.
No balcony.
No balcony, sadly.
Even though the view from here actually looks kind of cool, I was sitting here in the sofa looking out towards watching the boat come in and out. I definitely think, even though it doesn't have a balcony, it's a nice view. The sliding door does open, but the room gets extremely hot, so I don't like being in the heat. So I definitely would keep that closed.
Out of all the places to not have a balcony, there shouldn't be one of them. This is like one of the most balcony spots ever. Like, who wouldn't want to sit out there and, I don't know, eat a Mickey waffle?
Or a Mickey bar.
Or a Mickey bar. Well, that's for dinner.
So guys, here it's another bed. It turns into a twin bed. It's pretty easy. You just bring it down, and voila! It's very convenient. Very comfy.
This is gonna be Theo's bed.
That's gonna be my bed for the night. Daniela sleeping with her aunt. Nice little desk over here too, guys. This comes off too. You can sit right here. It's nice and comfy.
It's also a desk for Theo.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Let's see how Theo will do sitting at that desk.
I think that's more
I can work out of
a
here.
little picky down.
I can get out of here too.
Yeah, a kid at
One of
heart.
the coolest things that I have seen so far with the rooms that I've been to is the space that there's under these beds. As I can disappear and go under there.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah!
This just shows how much space there is under the bed, guys. You can definitely fit, I want to say, 4 big luggages down here. I don't know why I've been loving doing this since I was a kid, going into tight spots.
Hey, scooch over.
Oh, you can probably fit with me. This should be our new thing for our videos.
Oh my gosh! Wait, this is how we test if you can put your luggage under here or not.
Yeah, if Theo can fit, luggage can fit.
Luggage can fit.
So yeah, definitely there's space here, guys. You need assistance?
No.
How spacious is that?
No.
Yeah.
Oh. Closets.
With the safe.
Oh.
Here we keep all of Daniela's millions when she brings them to Disney with her.
And plushies.
And plushies.
Make sure they're nice and safe. Bye.
There's actually some more storage here on the bottom. And then you can see yourself in full length.
Hold on, need to check my hair. Yep, still crazy.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Next check.
Bye. All right. Now we have.
More mirror. Oh no, I thought this was a mirror too.
No, sorry. Only one mirror. Then we. Ooh, this is a cool design.
I really like this.
We have. Dang, look at how long those boots are.
Yeah, look. This is Mom's jacket.
Where do they put the kids at?
Oh my gosh. It's Mom's pajamas.
We found them. We got a nice set of extra pillows, guys, with a blanket that comes in. There's a hair blower blow dryer,
Your blow dryer.
and a steamer. I like to use these. I love these.
Then we can put like some like extra storage in here, like some shoes.
Or some smelly
Or
socks.
some smelly socks. I have some wet socks after stepping into that shower without looking. So 3 rows of drawers. That's nice.
More storage though.
A lot more storage.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think like we said before, definitely the Polynesian was lagging space for storage. And us being a family of 5, there was really no space to put anything. And we have a little kitchenette here.
Ooh.
Cafe.
Ooh. I don't drink that.
Sugar.
Ooh. Cups.
Ooh, plastic cups. Stirs.
Ooh.
And then down here we got the little cooler.
Squat.
Yeah, beverage cooler. A lot of questions people ask are do these hold like, like milk and stuff like that? I would recommend putting milk and stuff like that in there, maybe sodas and waters and stuff, but not anything like no medication or nothing like that.
So what do you guys think of the room?
It's cool. I really like it. Like first impressions, good.
Yeah, I like it. There's a lot of space, right? Again, being a family of 5, it feels like we're not on top of each other. There's enough storage for like our clothes, our luggages, and yeah, it looks nice. And the view is beautiful as the boat is going by now, and like keep looking over the camera.
I think that's what I like about these rooms, that like when it's really hot, you really don't want to be in the balcony, and like you can just sit here and enjoy it. It's kind of similar when we took the ocean view room on the cruise, where we could enjoy it, but we didn't have to be outside. And here's one of the boats, either from the Wilderness Lodge or from the fort, the campgrounds. Fort Wilderness, is it?
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
I forgot the name right now, but it's I think it's Wilderness Lodge and Disney Fort Wilderness Camp. Is it Fort Wilderness?
Nah, we'll put an update on there and update you guys.
Anyway, it's the campgrounds and the Wilderness Lodge. This is what it is. I used to confuse it. It's kind of confusing because I won't, like a lot of people when you go over to like I think we went to I think it was Whispering Canyon. No, first time we went to Trails End, which is at the Fort Wilderness Campground. We thought it was the Disney Wilderness Lodge. So we tried to check in. They're like, no, it's not here. We almost made it late to our reservation because then we had to take a bus and stuff into Trails End. Trails End doesn't exist anymore, but it used to be a restaurant inside of the Wilderness Campground.
Yeah, Maria and I did the same thing backwards, and we took a bus from Epcot and took the wrong bus thinking for Whispering Canyon, and we ended up in the campgrounds. And it took us about 30 minutes to fix.
Yeah, so it's I think best bet if that happens is taking the bus from the Wilderness Lodge over to the campgrounds, which gets you there quicker than going to the front. But overall, I think we had some issues with housekeeping. Again, as a travel agent, I want to make sure that my clients have a clean room and something that's up to par. Disney rooms are not cheap. They have a value, but with that value comes a certain level of service. So don't feel bad in contacting somebody if your room's not up to par, and that's what we do every time. We check the bedding, we check for dust, we check for cleanliness. Today, the room was not where we need to expect, and then they moved us to another room, and we found more dust. Right, the only way they're gonna fix it is if you let them know. So I don't want my clients if they're going through that. So I want to make sure also to let them know the room is not up to par. But other than the manager was great. She was great to deal with. Yeah. She fixed it, so that was a big help. But if you go into any room, any hotel, it doesn't have to be Disney, and it's not up to par, let them know. They're not gonna make it better if you don't. So I think we're just gonna relax for the rest of the day.
Yeah, we're gonna relax. If we do anything, we'll update you guys while we're doing it. Yeah. Thank you, Daniela, for doing the tour with me.
Yes. Now goodbye. Oh, and hasta la próxima aventura. Yep, I did that. Bye.